Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to integrate ChatGPT API into your website in 2023. By incorporating the power of ChatGPT's language capabilities, you can provide your website's visitors with interactive and dynamic conversational experiences. Whether it's for customer support, content generation, and engaging interactions, integrating the ChatGPT API can bring your website to life. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll have to go and sign up for a ChatGPT API. If you haven't already signed up for access to the ChatGPT API, visit the OpenAPI AI website and follow the registration process to obtain your API key. As an example, to do so, of course, you'll have to simply go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. For me, in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, you can simply go to this URL section, simply type chat or that will take us right away to. So let's just type chat GPT API and hit the enter button. But before, of course, proceeding with this ChatGPT API, make sure that you will, if you want to get your API, you will have to go and get or pay for a plan, which is going to be $20 per a month as an example. So can you use ChatGPT API for free? We can even check this. So as you can see, while ChatGPT API offers incredible capabilities, it's important to note that it's paid service. However, OpenAI provides various ways to developers and users to access a free API key. So as an example, let's just go here. So as you can see, developers can now integrate ChatGPT and Whisper's model into their apps and produce through our API. So we can go to this developers as an example and make sure to go to this API references. Once you do so, as you can see, introduction. So you can interact with API through HTTP requests from any language via our official Python bindings, our official node.js library or community maintained library. You can click on it here to check it all out by your own. So as you can see, we have here the pip install OpenAI. To install the Opus Node.js library, run the following command in your Node.js project directory. So you'll simply have to follow all the steps provided by here to, of course, install your ChatGPT API into your website. So let's just go through them. And as you can see, so we'll have to start with authentication. So the OpenAI uses API key for authentication. Visit your API keys page to retrieve the API key you will see in your all you use in your products or your requests. So for me, I'll have to do so. Of course, I'll have to log in into my account. So let me just go log in into my accounts with the Google accounts because this will prevent you from doing all the boring steps to log in into my account or even to create an account for yourself. So as you can see, I don't have any API keys at the moment, but simply I can create a new key from here. And as you can see, you can create your test key here. Once you create it, click on create test key and you'll find this right there and you'll be able to use it. So as you can see, page to retrieve the API key you will use in your requests. So once you get your API, as you can see, remember that your API key is a secret. Do not share it with others or expose it to any client-side code, browsers, or app. Production requests might be routed through your own backend server where your API can be securely loaded from an environment variable or key management service. As you can see, all API requests should include your API key and an authorization HTTP header as follows. So as you can see, here's it. You can of course copy anything like with black like this by this button if you want to simply get it into your website without without copying it manually or simply like copying it with this. So you can see request organization. You will simply have to run this exemplar curl command as an example. And as you can see, we have here like other steps that we have to go through. As an example, if you don't want to do all of this or read all of this manually, as you can see, so we have here laws that we can go through. So let's not just go through all of this. Go as an example and simply go to back here and simply go and log in into our account. And here I'm just going to ChatGPT right away because let ChatGPT help us. So here, once we get into ChatGPT, go and send a message and simply type how to integrate ChatGPT with API on your website in 2023. So as you can see, they'll simply show you how to do it without reading all of this right here. So we'll basically have to obtain our API access, which we showed you how to do it before. as an example from this link here, or simply can go here and go to API references and get your API from there. And as you can see, second step, you'll have to go and do your API documentation. So review the documentation provided by OpenAI. Documentation will detail how to structure API requests, what endpoint to use, and what parameter to include. And then you'll have to choose a programming language. You cannot, or you can of course use other than Python, but you can use like Python, and you can use other like programming language as an example. So which programming language you want to use for integrating the API into your website. Common choices are JavaScript, which is shown here for front-end integration, and languages like Python for back-end integration. And of course, we have here front-end integration, JavaScript, how to do it with JavaScript. And as you can see, back-end integration, server-side, how to do it with that. And user interaction will be implement a UI in your website that allows users to interact with the ChatGPT powered chatbot. This could be a chat box where users like a type and message and receive responses. And of course, implement like a proper error handling for API requests and ensure that any sensitive information or inappropriate content is filtered or moderated before being shown to users. And as you can see, make sure to test everything before publishing this into your website. So thorough test your integration on different devices, browsers, and network conditions to ensure like a smooth user experience. And depending on the volume of requests, you might need to optimize your implementation for a performance and cost effectiveness. And finally, as you can see, you'll have to stay updated. So keep an eye on OpenAI official channels or any update changes or improvements related to ChatGPT API. Update your integration as needed. And remember, this is general guide on specific, and the specific implement details could vary based on your websites that you're going to use. An example, you're going to use Wix or WordPress or a Shopify store, something like that, depending on what you want. And of course, even on programming language and user experience requirements, always refer to the latest official documentation provided by OpenAI for the most accurate and up-to-date information, and you'll find everything from here. So that's going to be basically it. What we'll have to do, obtain our API access and choose a programming language, and simply use it into your website without any problems. So I guess that's gonna be basically it. As an example, if you don't know how to implement it exactly, you can, as example, in your you can simply go to your website HTML file and add a script. You can tag the include like the JavaScript code, and you can go back to ChatGPT and ask him to write a JavaScript code for you. Of course, to make like requests and receiver responses, as an example, and he will, or ChatGPT will definitely do that for you. Of course, that's all of that will just interact with the ChatGPT API code that you get. So make sure to get that, and you can even use ChatGPT to get all the code for you. So that's gonna be basically it. If you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully integrated ChatGPT API into your WordPress or your websites or your Wix websites, depending on whatever you choose. So thanks for watching, and of course, I'll see you in the next video. So make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one, and goodbye.